Hello you, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about MySQL query. Let's Today the topic is how to get this record from three different tables. So like student table, course, and institute. So you can see a student name come from student table, course name come from course table, and the institute details come from student table, institute table. Okay, now so this is our course structure, and this is the code that we are going to deploy to get this result. Okay, I just explained how to work this. First I select student table. Okay, now I select the student table. So now we want to get the David. So this is the David here, and we want to get this name, David name from student table. So now I select student and get the student name from SName column. Again, I want to know the course detail. So I select course and the course name. C name is the course name. So this column provides the course name. And now we want to know institute. So institute. So now you can see INS underscore name institute dot column INS name. So I get my base table is student, because I want to get the student details. So I type student. Okay, select all these different criteria. First, I'm using student, so I type student table name. Then put left join query, and now I want to get the course details as well. So I select type course on student based on student ID. So we type the student ID later, but first to type student ID equals to course ID. So it means if we type the student ID like number 1, so character is number 1, David student IDs. So number 1, enrolling PHP course. So now that's why I want to use student ID, because I use the student ID in course table as a foreign key. So